Okay, class, today we will. Rosie, did you just burp in my class? No, I didn't. Miss Martin. Don't lie to me. You just burped in my class. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now while I call your parents. Hello? Is this Boris Anderson and Doris Anderson? Okay. I just called to inform you that your daughter Rosie has allegedly burped in my class. She is going to the principal's office right now. Can you please pick her up? Yes? Okay, thank you. Bye. Hey, Rosie, what brings you here into my office this time? And why are you crying? I burped in class. Rosie, what the flipping heck is wrong with you? How dare you burp in class? We do not burp in class. That's it. You are suspended for 2 weeks. Go home right now while I call your parents. Rosie, how dare you get suspended from school for burping in class? That's it. You are grounded for tranquility. And that means no Brainy Baby, no Baby Genius, no Barney and Friends, no Ready Jet Go, no Teletubbies, and no baby shows. Instead, you get to watch adult shows such as The Simpsons, Family Guy, American Dad, Robot Chicken, Home Movies, and Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes, and lots of adult shows. This also means no Wendy's and Pizza Hut for you. Now go upstairs to your room now, and never ever come out again until I say so. And stop crying like a baby. Yeah, you spoiled brat.